Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I want you to look what just happened. Danny walked in and says, "What happened to this bird?" Let me show you. First off, look at my door. This has got to be cleaned. Yuck, that's a nasty, nasty mess. I'm assuming the bird thought he could just fly in here. Poor little bird. And it was a bluebird. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bird. But looks like he broke his beak. He flew straight into my door. It's just sad, but he's beautiful. Such a beautiful color. That's the closest I've ever been to one. Oh wow. I'm really sad because this is one of our bluebirds, and these are very beneficial. They eat only insects. They don't eat our berries and stuff like that. So our farm is called Bluebird Farm. We just lost one of our namesakes. Okay, I guess we gotta bury it. But look what just happened. Bye guys.